Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about how to create a bill of material for product. A bill of materials, BOM, is an extensive list of raw materials, components, and instructions required to construct or manufacture a product. A bill of materials usually appears in a hierarchical format, with the highest level displaying the finished product and the bottom level showing individual components and materials. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu to open the menu page. The left-hand side, there has block named Product. Click the block. The material list block is found in the center of the screen. Click the material list block to open the bill of material section. The bill of material is a subdata of the product, so you need first to create product before create the bill of material data. Open one of existing product. There are 4 tabs next to the general page. Go to Material List tab. You can input all the raw materials here, that is the product will be used. Under the Material column, there is a magnifier to open the Material Items lookup window. In the lookup window, there is a search box function to filter out the material from the list. Click the target material, it will insert into the list. If more material is needed, click the plus sign icon to insert more space for additional materials. And then, you can add the material one by one. You can also use the material code input box to direct search the code. If there is one material is matched, the material will be inserted automatically. After input all material, there is a consumption rounding up column. If checked, the result of calculation will rounding up to integer. Next tab is Material Color Combo. That is set up the matching of color between product and material. Select a corresponding color between product and material. If a material item require 2 colors in product, you can add more same material into the material list, for the second color. After completing the material color combo, we can go to the next tab, the material size combo. The concept of this combo is the same as the material color combo, but this is for size. After completing the material size combo, we can go to the next tab, the material consumption. This is a setup of quantity usage between product's size and each material. On the top of page, that is material list, and the product's size is shown on the left. Below the material list, there are 2 icons. A magic stick and a bin. The magic stick is a projection to project from any 2 continue quantities, to automatic fill in, upward and downward in the column. For example, input 1.11 and 1.12 into the first and second input box. Due to the step of 2 quantity is 0.01, after click the magic stick, the last box will become 1.12 plus 0.01, that will become 1.13. If you want to clear all data of this column, you can click the bin icon to clear the below columns all data. In addition, at the bottom of each material, that is a setting the tolerance of quantity usage. You can input a fixed value, or a percentage value with percentage sign. The tolerance quantity will be sum up into total usage after calculation automatically. This is the setup of product's bill of material, and save it to wait until use it in orders later. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.